What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew, Vic, and the JoJo Lena. And today we're going to talk about how we turned our side hustle into our main hustle. So if you haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe button, and hopefully you're getting money today. And we bought a house from what, JoJo?
We bought a house with junk money.
Junk money. It started off as a side hustle. I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and make it my main hustle. So stay tuned for the video.
And today we're going to leave from our house for the very first time to go to work.
Now let's go get this money.
We are at our first job of the day, and it is almost a full load, and this person found us by the decals that we had on our truck. So it is so important that you put decals on your vehicle.
So we're here at the first job of the day, and some people want to grow up and be a firefighter, a police officer. When I was a kid, I always wanted to be a trash man, and guess what, JoJo? I am a trash man.
You are a trash man. You're a junk king.
Junk king, baby. So let me show you guys the job real quick. So here is the job. It's all this stuff along the fence. These pile of leaves, JoJo's gonna grab. The chair over there. This pile of brush. That pile of leaves. That pile of leaves over there. And that couch. So it's not that bad. What, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So the first thing we tackled was all the fluffy stuff, all that green waste, and now we're smashing it down to fit everything else in there. And look at the JoJo, she does not play with the shovel.
So if you have to clean up yard work, it's best when it hasn't rained yet. And these are the best leaves to pick up because they're super dry. That means they're not heavy, they're light. And if you use a great big shovel like this, you can get a lot in. And I prefer a trash can over a trash bag, obviously, because you don't have to hold it. It's just there.
So about 30 minutes later, we got 3/4 of a load and we are done. Check it out. JoJo is the fastest shoveler in California. Look at it, looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Now my favorite time of the day. It's time to get paid, baby. Now job is complete and she was super happy. She said she's seen us everywhere. Our decals, our brand, our name. It's all about branding your business. JoJo, how important is it to brand your business for your side hustle?
It is so important. You want a name that people are really going to remember. And she remembers Sonoma Strong. She said she's seen it on Facebook. She's seen our decals. She's seen our signs. She's seen us on the internet. And when it was time to remove junk, we are the only name that she could think of.
So it don't matter what business you're starting, branding your business is the most important thing to get that clientele to come in and get that cash flow. So keep that in mind when you think of a name. Really think about it. Write down about 20 of them. Ask all family, friends, people you don't even know what name they like best and go with that. It's so important to have a good brand because she loved us.
She absolutely loved us.
And we're gonna get a 5-star review. So something I always do is send them a link right after I'm done and make sure they're happy. And I try to get that review. So we'll see what happens. And what's your prediction of the dump fee, JoJo?
The dump fee. Oh, it's gonna be hard because I was raking leaves when you were gathering all the furniture and I'm not really sure how heavy they were. I'm gonna say the leaves didn't weigh anything. I'm gonna say 74.
Damn, you're good. I'm gonna say $71. So let's see what happens. And damn, I need a shave, JoJo. We've been hauling and balling so much. I haven't got a haircut. I haven't shaved. At least I washed my drawers. But other than that, damn, I look funky,
Wait a
baby.
second. Who washed your drawers?
You do?
Who does that?
All right, we're heading to the dumps, guys. So look who won. It was 1,200 pounds. The JoJo Lena, $83. Damn her. So the JoJo asked me about this next job, and to tell you the truth, I have no idea what we're getting into. So when you start your side business, you're gonna get phone calls from customers that tell you they have good stuff and they want to get the job done for a low price. Like this customer called me a couple days ago and said they have some good stuff and that we can take it and we can split the profit with them. And that's something we definitely ain't gonna do. Why are you laughing over there?
Because, yeah, we don't do that.
So if you guys are just starting your trash business, you're gonna get a lot of phone calls with customers saying they got good stuff. So we're heading over here right now. They're moving out of state. We got this job from a realtor. I have no idea what we're getting into. They wanted us to move some stuff. I was talking to them on the phone. I was like, we don't do moves. We'll come there and pick your trash up and that's it. So if you're starting your business and it's a trash business, stick to trash moving, because moving is hard.
Oh, it is. It's my least favorite thing. We won't do it, you know.
Did you hear what I just said? Stick to trash moving.
Yeah.
Don't stick, no. Let's repeat that real quick. Hold on, rewind. Stick to junk removal and stay away from moving, period. It is super hard.
Yes.
So you ready to go over there or what?
Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen.
I have no idea. So we're heading over there right now. So subscribers, please pray for us. Let's see what happens. So here's the next job. We got a full load. We got a couple loads here for sure. And I'll make $500 profit after dump fees and gas, but remember you gotta pay taxes. Now let me give you guys a little update about this job. We're gonna do one load right now and come back in a few days. They're gonna leave the key hidden and we're gonna knock the rest of it out. And they're supposed to leave tomorrow. And there's so much stuff in there, I don't think they're leaving tomorrow. So I'll show you guys the house, so check it out. And there's some heavy stuff here too, so it's about 2.5, 3 loads. We'll knock one out today. So all this stuff in the garage needs to go. And there's also the stuff inside the house, this dresser and table, the bed frame, all this stuff that's in the closet needs to go. And also all the stuff in the kitchen. So whatever's left behind, we'll end up taking it to the landfill or donating it. So job is complete. Well, it ain't really complete. I'll be back there Tuesday and today's Saturday. And they got a lot of stuff there. And actually, JoJo, it's actually good stuff.
It was. I was surprised. So, you know, sometimes the customer's right and they do have good stuff.
So, yeah, there's another at least 2 loads left. We'll be back there Tuesday to knock it out. And what's your prediction of the dump fee?
Oh, on this one. Oh, I'm going to say 88.
88, I'm going to say 112. And we got a find of the day I'm going to show you guys too. So the tip of the day is when the customer calls you up and you're driving and you're on speakerphone and you can't write nothing down, what you want to do is let them know, hey, can you text me your information, your address, the date, and the time? And then once I pull over, I'll write it down. That's the tip of the day, and that's how I keep jobs in line. So guess what just happened right now? JoJo's a damn traitor. We're driving and she waved at Junk King. Oh, hell no.
We were passing on the bridge at the same time. I thought that was kind of cool.
I don't give a damn what the hell we're doing. Don't be a traitor.
Hi.
Whatever. So look who won. It was 1,400 pounds at $95. The JoJo Lena won again 2 times in a row. How's it feel?
I'm back in practice, I guess.
Oh, whatever. So look at the find of the day. Look at JoJo. She's happier than a pig and shit, guys.
You can get the really tall tree branches with this. And it's like pouring water everywhere here.
It is. It's raining from up top. I
Oh
don't know
my
where the
God.
hell that's coming from. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but it is raining on us right now.
Horrible.
Horrible. Nice find, babe.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Now you can get to work when we get home. Now the best thing about having a junk removal as your side hustle is you can use it as a side hustle again by reselling stuff on eBay, Marketplace, Craigslist, and you can also scrap stuff if you want to. We don't really do that much in California, just the copper's worth the money out here.
Yeah.
But I see a lot of guys making a lot of money scrapping stuff, so there's so much more of a hustle than just picking up trash. You can resell stuff and scrap stuff.
Yeah, you can have another side hustle from your side hustle.
So yeah, we're gonna start doing some furniture flipping pretty soon. Once we get the garage cleaned up at the house, we have no room. I can't even park the Mustang in there, so we're heading to the next one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it.
So our next job is a garage clean out, and these people found us on Yelp.
So this basketball hoop needs to go too, and I'll cut it up real fast. Now, just like that, we did 3 full loads, and it's only 12:30. And JoJo,
Yeah.
I am hungry as hell. What about you?
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
What's your prediction of the dump fee? I'm gonna guess 112.
Oh, that was a good guess. Yeah. 108.
108. Let's see what happens.
121.
121. Are you
Yeah,
sure?
121.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
All right, let's see what happens. Now, about damn time I won. It was $88. It feels good. It
I'm
feels.
sorry.
So my future bike, the JoJo said I could buy one, just like Dumb and Dumber, baby.
That's hilarious.
Can I get a motorcycle now? Huh? What? Now I had to pull over and talk about how this side hustle changed my life, the trash business. I started, 4 years ago with just a pickup truck with some decals on the back and some magnets on the side. And it was one phone call that landed me this job over here. I don't know if you guys can see this property. We're in Hillsborough, California. A realtor hit me up. I put an ad on Craigslist for $5. I showed up to a job. It was a garage clean out. I did the job. I didn't know if I had enough money in my bank account to cover the dump fees. And this is when I first started out. I had no idea, but I took the job on. I loaded it up. I did like 2 loads for like $250 in my pickup truck. Hella cheap. But I built a relationship with this realtor, and I landed a $40,000 job that's right here. We did 3 years ago or something?
Yeah, it was about 3 years
About
ago.
3 years ago. And I was able to buy a dump truck after doing this job, stacking heck of money. So anyone that's out there that's super young and motivated and wants to do something in life, don't talk about it, be about it, and just go after whatever you want to do. If you want to be a handyman, a landscaper, a painter, whatever it is, go after it. Don't be scared, because if I didn't start a business, I would have never been able to buy a house like we bought a house. But no mommy money, no daddy money, no money from no one. We put it down the payment, and we couldn't have done it without starting a business and being our own entrepreneur and getting out there and getting our grind on and not working for someone else, working that 9 to 5 and all that stuff.
Yeah, and you start a side hustle, and you do that in your free time when you're not working, and you just build relationships with clients and you get more jobs, and that builds on itself, and that could be your side job, your side hustle, until it can become your main hustle.
Now keep in mind one more thing. You guys over there in TV land, just remember, believe in yourself no matter what anyone says. Anything is possible. And if you just want to make $2 extra grand a month, that's doable. If you want to make $2 grand a day, that's definitely doable. You gotta just believe in yourself and go get it. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That is so right.
I started this business just wanting to make $2,000 extra a month, not knowing you can make 20 to 40 to 50 grand per month picking up trash. I had no idea.
No idea.
So Get out there and get it, guys. And don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not hitting that like button, you ain't helping us out. If you love me and the JoJo, hit that like button and leave a comment and let me know what you guys do right now. Are you starting your own trash business? Are you a handyman? Are you a landscaper? What do you do right now as a side hustle? Leave it in the comments down below.